Today in front of me Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So just to find them, we should launch the settings application and then tap here on the sound section. Here we can see the audio settings, so we can here activate the Dolby sounds, the DCE ultimate, the effects priority here, so we can turn on and turn off all of these options just by click on the switchers. Here we can see the volume panels, the media, ringtone, notification, call and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, we should swipe to the left or to the right side with our finger, there's dots. We can also turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode. We can change the ringtone sound here, but this device has two SIM slots, so you can just set different ringtones to each of these SIM cards. We can also turn on or turn off media recommendations and to pin media player on in quick settings on our device. We can activate vibration for calls. We can change notification and alarm sounds here, and just also have more settings, so we can activate or turn on the dial pad sounds, the screen lock and lock sounds, the charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.